Hey, welcome back to the Quiz Juice! In this video, we've got a fun challenge for you. You'll hear animal riddles, and your job is to guess, who am I? Each riddle gives you clues, so listen carefully and see how many you can solve. Before we start, if you're new here, please subscribe and hit that bell icon. We've got new quizzes dropping every single day. I carry my baby in a pouch and hop on two legs. What am I? Kangaroo. I lay eggs, have a bill like a duck, and am oddly furry. What am I? Platypus. I sleep upside down and fly at night, using echoes to find food. What am I? Bat. I have long tusks, big whiskers, and love icy seas. What am I? Walrus. I'm covered in sharp quills that stick out when I'm scared. What am I? Porcupine. I have 5 arms but no brain like yours in the middle. I can regrow a lost arm. What am I? Starfish. I stand on one leg, wear pink feathers, and often balance my head on my back. What am I? Flamingo. I sleep in trees, eat eucalyptus, and look like a teddy bear. What am I? Koala. I stand guard in groups, dig burrows, and pop up on my hind legs to look around. What am I? Meerkat. I walk sideways, have claws, and live near the shore. What am I? Crab. I look like a tiny horse with a curled tail, and the males carry the babies. What am I? Seahorse. I move very slowly, hang in trees, and nap for most of the day. What am I? Sloth. I have a long snout to reach ant tunnels and a sticky tongue to catch them. What am I? Anteater. I wear a bony armor and can curl into a ball when scared. What am I? Armadillo. I have enormous antlers and roam northern forests. I'm much bigger than a deer. What am I? Moose! I spout water from my blowhole and sing complex songs in the ocean. What am I? Whale! I'm playful, super smart, and sometimes leap out of the water to show off. What am I? Dolphin. I start as a worm, spin into a chrysalis, and emerge with colorful wings. What am I? Butterfly. I have a hard shell, many legs, and sometimes roll into a ball. What am I? Beetle. I crawl on leaves, eat lots, and later turn into a flying beauty. What am I? Caterpillar. I hover like a tiny helicopter, drink nectar midair, and flap my wings extremely fast. What am I? Hummingbird. I wash my food, have a masked face, and love rummaging through trash cans. What am I? Raccoon. I'm sly, bushy-tailed, and often seen in fairy tales stealing chickens. What am I? Fox. I store nuts in trees or the ground and have a big, fluffy tail to balance. What am I? Squirrel! I slide on my belly, love rivers, toss stones, and have webbed feet and fur that stays dry. What am I? Otter! That's a wrap for today's animal riddles. How many did you solve correctly? Drop your score in the comments and see if you can beat your friends. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quizzes. See you in the next video.